If you are interested in knowing examples of these types of sentences, please chat or comment on my comment section interested, so that I will take you through the examples. All these sentences, they have their examples. You might be using them to make sentences in Igbo language without knowing their types. But if you know the types, whenever you want to use them to make sentences, it will be more clearer to you what you are saying. Not that you will just be uttering whatever you like because you feel like you know how to speak Igbo language. Am I making sense? Bye.